want to take a few minutes to go over how to use Google Fonts with your audience access. So the first thing you need to do is come into your digital program, click on your settings. As you go down through the settings, you're going to find a section called Digital Program Font. Here we have specific instructions on these three fields for the import code, the header font family, and the body. So I'm going to peruse on over to my Google Fonts library, and I'm going to choose what we call our the header text, which appears above sections, and then the body, which is the text itself that's in your program. So here I'm going to choose, for my header fonts, I'm going to choose this Lexand, and I want to choose three fonts. In this case, I'm just going to choose three. So I'm going to choose this light, I'm going to choose this semi-bold, and this bold. So that's going to be my headers. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to peruse and find my body fonts. So for my body, I usually try to use a serif font to make it a sans serif font that makes it a little bit more readable for folks. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this Natto Sans. Actually, let's just use this Laura. The Laura font, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a regular font. I'm going to choose a bold font, and then I want an italic font for sure. So I'm going to choose this regular italic. So now I have this Lexan for my headers, and I have this Laura for my body. So now I have enough information that I need to plug into audience access. So once you have this information, you come over to this right-hand side panel of your Google, and you click on Import. And it's going to change these boxes out. And this information here is what we're going to transfer over to audience access. So this very first field is our import code. So here I want to grab everything between the style tags. This is called a style and this is called a style tag. And I want the stuff in between there. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it into this little section right here. And then in my header, my header, I want to use this Lexand, which is what I decided to use for my header font. And I'm going to paste that right here. And then finally, I'm going to get my body font, which is this Laura font, which I think looks really nice. I'm going to paste that right here. And that's it. Once I hit Save Fonts, Audience Access will start using your header font and the body font that you have required. If you want to go back to the default fonts, you just come back in here and you click on the Reset Font button, and it will implement. I hope this helps.